Yeah, now we can see. Yeah.
Laser. So electrocution 240 volt. So electrocution, personal injury, electrical insulation, earthing bonding, warning signboards, PPE, WMS, TRA, and you are going to provide MCB and ELCB?
I need electrical team here.
Yeah, can you please find out, are you going to provide ELCB? Because this is standard as per ADNOC, where there is possibility of electrocution, we need to provide the MCB and earth leakage circuit breaker.
So
So
just
please find out.
can you include electrical, sir?
Okay, let me try to include electrical. But Chairman, for your information, they are taking the supply from DB nearby, which is having spare breakers actually.
Okay.
So this MCB and ELCB should already be there in the existing DB.
Yeah, sure. So can you pull out electrical?
1 minute. This is Marimithu from ADNOC Onshore Electrical.
Hi.
Actually, this one, I think this is from the existing DB. You can, I mean, ILF can confirm this also. This is from existing DB, and this existing DB will not have the ELCB definitely. It is MCBs will be provided actually.
Okay,
Because
so then I
this
remove
is
ELCB.
yeah, this is from
ELCB should be there. But I've included Mr. Ramesh. Okay, let's park this point. He is away right now. As soon as he joins, we will confirm this.
No problem. I will highlight it
but
here.
This is like this actually.
No problem. I am highlighting it here and then we can resolve. Okay.
Thank you, Chairman.
Guys, electrical, the same scenario. MCB is there. ELCB is not there, so I remove it. And voltage we have seen now 16 is
Chairman,
electromagnetic radiation.
Chairman, sorry to interrupt. Few